All right, guys, welcome. Now we have this question from jamb 1979, question 36, where we are asked to simplify 1 minus x squared divided by x minus x squared, where x is not equal to 0. So quickly we dive into our question by writing solution. We write solution. Copy out our expression 1 minus x squared raised to divided by x minus x squared. Now we know that the numerator is the difference of two square terms. That is, it involves a situation where we can have where we have x squared minus y squared equal to bracket open x minus y bracket close bracket open x plus y bracket close. While at our denominator we can factor out x. Therefore our expression becomes 1 square, because if we decide to square one, we've not committed any mathematical blunder, the case would be. So we have 1 squared minus x squared divided by, we factorize out x, so we have x outside, we have bracket open, 1 minus x bracket close. Now we solve further, and we have from our numerator we have bracket open 1 minus x bracket close bracket open 1 plus x bracket close, and all these ends up divided by x bracket open 1 minus x bracket close. Now 1 minus x at our numerator and 1 minus x at our denominator cancel out, and we're left with bracket open 1 plus x divided by x as our answer. Thank you.